Hello again everybody, welcome back, and this time we have quite an old multi-lock padlock, 7 pins, but it does have a ball and shackle. No key with this, but it is all locked up, and the core's all locked up. Bit of a funny shape as well when you look at it from there. Full focus. There we go. So let's give this a go. I think 7 pins, but it's not pin in pin. So let's get that in there. Get this focus. There we go. Let's give this one a try. So I have actually got into this before, but just to make sure it did work, and the cores doesn't look too bad. I haven't actually gutted it yet. So we'll start at the front. One's binding. Sort of a little click. On 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, 7's binding. A little tiny click out of 7. 1. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nothing. Right, I've got another little click out of 1. Nothing on 2. Right, that was 3. And we got a nice click and a very slight movement on the core. 4, 5, 7. 1. Right, 1, 2. Now I'm getting counter rotation on 2. So let the tension right off. Overset 2 there. Definitely doesn't want to set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. What did we get to that time? Maybe. I think it overset again. Right, 1. 2. Counter rotation. Right, I think we might have got 2 that time. Right, 5. We got counter rotation. And there we go. Got it open. So there we go. Let's grab that out of there. So there we are, open. As you can see, it's had a bit of a hard life. But it still does all work. So let's grab pinning tray over. have a butcher's, see what we can see inside this. Let's adjust my light slightly, that's better. Screwdriver. This also did have that little pin is inserted in there, which also holds the core in for some reason, but a real pain to get in and out, so I left that out for now. Right, clip on the back. One that actually wants to cooperate. So pins are there. Right, we're jammed up a bit. Let's find something to shove in the hole. Must have something here somewhere. Let's try the tension wrench, see if that'll work. There we go. Turn that back a little bit. Round to there, grab a follower, keep your fingers crossed. And there we go. So as we can see, 7 pins. We got a hole in the side. Don't know what that's there for. Right, let's see what we've got in here. So 1 is standard, 2 is standard, 3 looks like a torpedo or a bomb, 4 standard, 5 standard, 6 standard, and 7 is standard. Right, let's see what we've got in here. Right, standard in 1. We have a spool in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in 4. Spool in 5. Standard in 6. Oop. And there's a standard in 7. So look inside the core. So there's nothing in there to relate to that. Hole in the side, so I don't know what that's for. All the springs out. That one doesn't want to come out. Number 1. There we go. There we go, that's all the springs. So nothing else in there. That all looks just as it should. And let's just have a look at the core. Can't see There's some little marks, hang on a sec, let's grab a no counter milling or anything. So that is, let's just pick this one up so you can have a closer look at it. Very weird for a key pin. Like I say, looks like a bit of a torpedo. Rest of them, I've got 2 spools on the top, everything else in there is standard. So, if anybody knows what that torpedo looking one's all about, leave it in the comments, let me know. Anyway, that's Mul-T-Lock 7-pin padlock. Thanks for watching, see you again soon. Bye.